Before a single stitch is made, everything is decided on paper. Building an ultralight shelter is not about sewing fast, it's about preparing with absolute precision. A millimeter off here means a flapping tent in the wine later. Tonight, we prep. This is the 26 GSM mosquito net. It's incredibly light, almost like spider silk. The problem? It shifts and stretches when you try to cut it. The trick is to use painter's tape to stiffen the edges. It stabilizes the fabric, giving me a perfect straight line for the zipper later. In ultralight gear, patience saves materials. Why obsess over these details? Because the Alps don't forgive mistakes. When you are exhausted, cold, and try to set up camp in a storm, the gear has to work flawlessly. Every reinforcement I cut tonight is a guarantee of safety for tomorrow. Now, the main fabric, measuring the Silpoly and the seal nylon floor. But the real secret of a tent under 1 kg isn't just thin fabric, it's where you put the strength. I'm cutting multiple layers of heavy duty fabric for the tension points, where the poles and guy lines will pull the hardest. We remove weight everywhere, except where it matters most. The final prep, the hardware, full-freestanding zippers, polyamide webbing, ultralight hooks. Sewing this tiny component requires focus. This is where the tent comes to life. It's no longer just flat fabric, it's a functional piece of gear. The next step is the most challenging, bringing all this together into a 3D self-supporting structure. Thanks for watching the build. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next episode for the final assembly.